education. I am starting my speech with a quote of Ellen Bloom. Education is the movement from darkness to light. Education is a way of imparting knowledge, skills and learning. It helps us to learn new things and develop a sense of innovation and creativity. Education is a tool which helps us to achieve success and earn respect in the society. Educating children is not only secures their personal life but collectively contributes to the development of a more reliable nation and the world. Now I am ending my speech with a quote. Education is the mother of leadership. Thank you for your attention.